Hi, this is Unknower, the creator of Virtual Land Manager, or VLM for short. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new Decentraland scene using SDK 7 with VLM already installed for you. If you've already created a Decentraland scene with SDK 7, look for the video called Installing VLM for Decentraland to get instructions on installing VLM into an existing scene. To get started, you'll need to install Visual Studio Code as well as the Decentraland SDK 7 extension. I'll add a link in the description to the Decentraland documentation, which explains how to do this. Once installed, you should see the extension on the toolbar here on the left. If you haven't already created a project with the Decentraland SDK extension, your Visual Studio might look something like this. To create your project, select an empty folder where you want to store your project files. Next, open up a web browser and go to templates.vlm.gg. This page will have links to some starter templates that already have VLM installed for you. Copy the URL for the starter template. Back in Visual Studio, click the toolbar icon for the Decentraland extension, then click Create Project. Select From GitHub repository, paste in the link you just copied, and hit Enter. Down here in the bottom left corner, you'll see that it's working to create your project. Sometimes this can take a minute or two. Once that's done, your scene is ready to connect to Virtual Land Manager. Watch the video called Connecting Your Decentraland Scene to see how to set up a scene in VLM and start building in real time.